You're cold.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Looks like over here for a while.
Put the heater on.
That's what we wanted to.
Can't hear ya.
What wash are you doing?
Cotton 70 pre-wash, you know.
Ah.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that motor. I think it's actually a better sound than I thought it was. I was expecting it to be a deeper sound.
What, the FLA?
No, the motor.
What one?
Huh?
What motor?
This motor.
No, it's a nice sounding one.
You just said it wasn't.
Well, aye, but it's not as nice as that one. Or that one. That one's nicer.
Hmm.
Well, there's another gem which I need to find.
I know, there's a lot of machines you need to find, unfortunately.
There's another gem which is like that,
Hmm.
but instead of square buttons, it's got rounded.
Okay.
It's like the crossover of the last generation.
Okay, don't know it. Find it, let me have a look.
I'd like to have an herringbone.
Yeah.
And I'm getting another one.
Yeah, it's got a slightly higher pitched noise than the motor in my Hoover 6 thing used to have.
Oh, has it?
Mm. Considering it's got the plastic on the door, it's not reflective like most of them are.
No.
Good. Is it because it's completely flat? No, it's slightly dipped inwards. Don't know if it's that light then.
Oh, what's that?
Don't know.
It's a Siemens
Oh.
5030. What are they like?
What are they again?
What's that?
An old one. Oh, Bosch Precision. Oh, flipping up. Bosch Precision. Bosch Precision. That, yeah, I think. Ooh, high level.
Is that on Prewash?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it does, and it comes up to here,
Ooh.
and then it starts to heat.
Right.
And once it's heated, it drains,
Right.
and then it tumbles.
Okay. Oh, faster tumbles now.
I wish you took a better picture of that machine, because if you put it that way,
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I know that sometimes it's difficult when you take a picture and then it goes the wrong way.
Yeah.
Quite like that without spin.
Hmm.
Without spin.
Yeah.
Well, 1100 down to 600. That's good for bathing.
Hmm.
I think Jack had one of these.
Maybe.
The prices come down so much
Yeah.
that they don't actually come to
Make any
justify.
money, yeah, but that's why catalogues are so good now, because they've basically taken over.
Yeah. That's that Bowman I was telling you about last night.
Yeah.
Next is the Bogeyman. Don't like.
I like that in black, with a black door, it's actually quite nice.
It does break up the
I
white.
haven't seen it in person though, so I'd like to see what kind of texture the black is. Is it like a gloss black or is it like a
coarse?
matte black or whatever you call it? You know?
I was thinking of a coarse black.
I like this machine. So far.
Yeah. Ooh. Expensive.
What? Let me see. I can't even see. The fat head's in the way.
I'll fat head you.
Oh my god! Really? Really?
If it was like 50 quid less, then maybe.
70 quid less, mate.
I would go for a tops of minus 40.
It's still too expensive. It's 20 quid it's worth. Ooh.
What?
What's that? What's that? No, up! Oh, it's an indice.
I thought I went past it.
You don't like them, so carry on.
But it's a Servis.
You don't like those Vestel ones because you won't try one because you're annoying.
Well, there's plenty out there.
Still.
I'll get a Servis Vestel when
Oh,
I'm getting it.
flipping heck, I'll buy you one for Christmas.
Did you say that you'll buy me a Servis?
Well, maybe not buy you one, I might get one for free.
Oh, would you?
In your dreams.
Oh. So does that mean you're going to come up all the way up here and then you're going
No.
to, then you're going to deliver it and install it and then make it look the prize washer in the entire house, just like the M310.
No. What was a bit grubby?
That's like that machine I was telling you.
That's a CDA or something
Aye.
stupid.
The one
Nice
that-
with a silver door. Yeah, it is a CDA.
I like that.
Technic, I think, is their other name.
Yeah.
And Tekka, they also go by.
Yeah, there's a shop that I'll need to take you to, and they've got a Technic. And I quite like
technically, my boss reckons there's something to do with Bosch, but I can't see it. I don't know why.
I don't think they are.
No, I don't think they are.
But the door reminds me of something.
Hmm.
It's probably got like a block pub because it says here something to do with it has Aeroclid 15 check outlet pipes.
Right.
So it's probably just like the pump's like clogged or something
Maybe.
like that. It's only in Wigan.
That's more.
I know. He's 155 down and now 155 odd back. Yes. I need to just refine the search account.
I know.
It's P O R
Corrupt.
looking on Gumtree. There's a hot point down. What's happening, big man?
Not a lot.
No. Not going for a spin and a tumble yet?
No. It's heated though.
Is that the first stage?
Yeah.
You know, even in the timed wash, you know, you can even get like the approximately of, like, say for example, 29 minutes. You know, you can actually get a dry cycle on that too.
Right, okay.
As you know, as that being non-standard, then it will be scheduled to disappear. Oh yeah, can you do my uniform today?
At some point, yeah.
Could maybe do that on, like, say, the daily 44 or something, if you want.
Yeah, I might do that actually, yeah.
That'll give you something else to film before it disappears.
Hmm.
Or the acrylic cycle.
Nah. Daily 44 will be good actually.
Remember, you can't go no more than 3 kilos.
Well, yeah, whatever.
Nobody ever pay attention to that anyway.
No, exactly.
Oh, 6 kilo machine, daily 44,
44 minutes, yeah, I get it. God's sake.
Shush.
You're terrible.
No, I am fine. The water level on the acrylics is quite nice.
Daily 44 is pretty good as well, I know.
Aye, it's not bad. Last time I used it.
Still got over an hour to go then.
I'll be after the spin, it'll probably go down to the 60.
Yeah.
Right, not down now.
No way.
It's got different programming for different things, so
Yeah.
last time I used it, I did like went down to the 60.
Yeah. It might be because it's sensitive cares on as well.
Oh yeah, because that adds on an extra rinse.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it raised the water level
And it
slightly.
raises the water level as well.
Oh, it does. Right. Good.
Oh, get that?
Who's that? Let me have a look. Oh, that's your number, isn't it?
Sold yesterday.
Ha ha! Shame.
You need that with that.
Oh well. I was hoping it would.
No, you're not. You're like, it's a necklace. I like Ignis. So now it's still got an Ignis.
That's on camera.
That's a sneaky purple.
Yeah, you wish. Decent spin that after the wash.
Yeah, it is actually.
So it'll do what, 4 rinses?
I think it does something like that.
Good.
It's not been in for a long time.
Yeah.
It was actually scheduled to be withdrawn from July.
Right.
But I was going to go and keep it for the dynamic, but I think I'll just get rid of it now.
Yeah, there's no point keeping it. You'll probably get another one at some point anyway.
Yeah, that probably will happen. We need to film the boss I'm going to go to Jan next as well.
Yeah.
With every conceivable cycle and every conceivable option
Yeah,
and every conceivable way. Well, that's scheduled to be withdrawn to go down to Heart and then also the dynamic.
Right.
And I'll see what she wants done with it, if we can get rid of it or if we can.
Right.
Oh no.
What now?
No. Don't take that. Man.
Reasonable.
Ah, it is quite a reasonable machine. The dryer is quite a long dry, I will admit.
What, it's not very good?
You know, it just takes a long time to dry.
So it's crap. Yeah.
No, it just dries slowly.
Well, so do all washer dryers.
That dries quite good.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It's up to bookies.
It barely dried the clothes yesterday and it was on for an hour and a half.
Oh yeah, because it was overloaded.
I half emptied it.
Oh.
Yeah, well, it was only a small load, if you remember.
I don't remember. I was tired.
Yeah, I know.
I fell asleep on the carpet.
Yeah, I know, with your legs in the air. Face down with your legs in the air. Who the hell does that?
You don't need to tell everybody on YouTube.
Part of the... It's part.
Part
Part of the entertainment.
Oh, is that what it is?
Hmm.
Might be giving
90% washes, 10% comedy.
might be giving people some. Yeah, so
Should try in a minute.
it's a bit of a long rinse.
Thought it would have only been about 5 minutes, they usually are.
So the Nextra's I put up for £90.
Okay.
I'm willing to knock it down.
Alright. Well, considering at my place we sell them for £245 reconditioned.
Oh, that's not too bad.
It's expensive.
Yeah, and how much is that Whirlpool?
I can't remember. 225, I think.
225. How many attempts was that? About 8?
About 6, I think. I don't know.
That's actually quite funny. We've done that again.
Well, I fixed the door glass, haven't I?
So it might dry you a little bit better.
Hopefully.
I was like pulling Jesus' leg last night. I was like, it was like talking to me about something,
Yeah.
about the service, and I was like, somehow I managed to get my warriors in there. I was like, no,
Huh.
they'll burn in hell. I was like, if they burn in hell, so are you. I'll bring you down or not. Or something like that.
Yeah.
You know, it'd be an interesting wash. No options on both, except for that one being a standard wash, and that one being. So that would be from 98 and that from 2008.
Yeah.
So that would give you Bendix Filco Merloni. That would also give you the Candy and Hoover.
Yeah.
Which one would actually wash first and finish? Because that's got a long wash.
And so is this.
So does that. And then there's 10 years apart.
Yeah. Like I said, 1998 for a 3.5 hour wash must have felt like ages. It's like now, that new Whirlpool that does a 5 hour eco wash, come 5, 6, 7 years time from now, that'll be normal.
Yeah. But people don't want long washes.
No, I know.
They just want them getting done and dusted out the road.
Yeah.
I mean, why does manufacturers not actually do like,
I don't know.
what's the word? A checkup on what people want.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what you can buy me for my Christmas present?
No.
Railway. Version of it. So I've lost like the variable spin, but I've gained the dryer instead.
Yeah, I don't see the point in variable spin anyway. No one uses it.
One person does.
Oh, you, yeah.
Like it's just the James, so I like doing my bending on problem.
And it took 2 hours to...
Yeah. Right, girl. All right. Costco, you can get like some soft and stuff like that.
Right.
Then you can take it down on the big red bus and right.
She should be alright with me. Spends long enough for 1400.
Yeah, it does actually.
Oh, okay, maybe it wasn't a 1400 then.
That Hoover WT960 or the Hoover Nextra.
WC960?
Sorry, Hoover all the way, man.
No.
Hoover, okay? They've got the generation future.